With polling over for 5 phases this Lok Sabha elections, the BJP has been conducting booth-level surveys to assess how they fared, how many seats it may win, and by what margins. These surveys are indeed important because it gives the party an accurate estimate of how well or poorly their candidates have performed. The candidates who get these reports of polling from every booth in their constituencies then submit it to the High Command. Welcome to So South. I'm Nabila Jamal, and here's a quick take on how the BJP's machinery has been going towards analyzing their performance so far. Well, the BJP juggernaut works in many different ways. In fact, they have appointed people at micro level to manage this election to perfection. How BJP conducts booth-level surveys. BJP's strategy here has always been to contest elections at booth level. The message to the party workers is quite clear. Win the booth and the constituency will be won. With this strategy of micromanagement, the Saffron Party has managed to develop an election machinery that has become its pride and the opposition's envy, of course. The BJP has made many appointments with different roles to manage booths. One such appointment is the Ardh Panna Pramukhs, which means half electoral page in charges. Now, they are responsible for half a voter list, a page with approximately 60 names. Their job is to ensure that all these 60 voters precisely would cast their ballot in favor of the BJP. How BJP mastered the booth-level management. Under the booth-level management plan, the party has focused its energy on inducting influential people of the society as key voters who could be helpful to ensure the party's win. The local party workers identify influential people as key voters from social, religious, and industrial sectors who could ensure voters' sway towards the BJP. Now, the BJP also deploys activists from its IT and social media wings to strengthen each and every booth for parliamentary polls after duly mapping the booths and also grading them based on support for the party after assessing, of course, past poll performances. Now, all this data is compiled and then sent to a group called Tridevs. So who are Tridevs? The party has appointed Tridevs who play a key role in putting together all the information. Now, the Panna Pramukhs, as I explained earlier, are managed by this trinity called Tridevs. The data from this trio is crucial as they consist of booth-level agents, booth in charge, and booth president. Their main task is to strengthen the party's electoral machinery at the grassroots level. Now, after an election has concluded, the party survey will go back to these booth-level workers and ask them how many of these 60 voters showed up and present their estimate of how many actually voted for the BJP. What is also being asked here in the survey is caste equations and which community voted more than others. So the party gets a rough estimate on what kind of voters have voted for them. The intention here is to, of course, get an overall estimate of the party's situation in all these constituencies that are going to polls. By grouping together all this data, the party gets a good idea about their performance, how has it gone, and whether they may win or may not get a sizable majority. Now, this data, when compiled, is sent to the state leadership, which will then be sent to its party high command, and then the evaluation process begins. Well, the BJP this time certainly has spared no efforts. It has drafted a plan to ensure a big margin win in this Lok Sabha polls, focusing on specific strategy for each and every booth in terms of its social equations, highest number of voters of a particular community or caste, as well as the weaknesses and strengths. Prime Minister Modi has held several interactions with party workers across the nation prior to these elections to motivate the grassroots workers for this very reason itself. They have been asked to ensure that all information on all union government schemes, particularly those meant for women, specifically women's welfare, reach the people. In fact, this time it's quite clear that there is a push by the BJP to capture the hearts of women, as Prime Minister Modi has asked booth agents, we believe, to stress on women-driven development in almost all interactions. The BJP has also been using AI in monitoring sensitive booths during the Lok Sabha elections to detect any kind of irregularities, manage queues, analyze election data. What do you feel about the BJP's election machinery? We'd like you to share your experiences and your stories of interacting with booth-level agents in the comments below.